All right, let's take a look at these yes or no questions for 5 through 14. All of them using the exact same image over here on the right. So first off, on these 5 through 8, are they collinear? Now, I mean collinear, or remember that collinear means they're all on the exact same line. So let's look at line AB and then also point C. Well, line AB goes here and extends on forever, and C is on that exact same line, so this is yes. Go ahead and erase that. Now, B and F, it appears that B and F, yes, are on this line here. Now, keep in mind that with that dashed line right in here, that means that the line BF is actually going through the plane and then kind of underneath or behind. But that's not relevant on this one. I just wanted to point that out. But yes, they are on the same line, so they are collinear. Now, line EB and point A. Well, EB is here. However, point A is not on that line, so this one is no. And now F and plane Q, and I just want to go ahead and point this out. We're talking about collinear, and we're talking about a plane here. A plane cannot be collinear because it's not really on the line. So anyway, point F and Q don't share any points. There's no intersection. No way at all these guys could be coplanar. All right, now let's go ahead and look at our next set, which is asking, are they coplanar? Are they together on the same plane? Points E, B, and F. Now, E and B are on plane Q. Point F is not on plane Q, so many students are tempted to answer no to this question. However, it doesn't say, are they on plane Q? It says, are they coplanar? Is there any possible plane? And yes, these three non-collinear points do define a plane. I could come in here and draw another plane that extends up, and all three of those would be on that plane. So the answer here is yes. All right. Now, lines DC and FC. I'm sorry, DB. DB is this line here, and then FC is here. Now keep in mind though that F is below plane Q, C is on plane Q, so this line is going to pass up and then pass through. So it's definitely not lying on the same plane as Q, which is where ED is. So this one definitely is no, because it is on a different plane than Q. All right, line AC and ED. Well, AC is this line going across. ED is this line going across. Both of those lying on plane Q. Therefore, yes, these are coplanar. All right, now points F, A, B, and C. F is down here below, and then A, B, and C all lie on plane Q. Now, again, we're tempted to say no because F is not on plane Q. However, for the exact same reason as number 9, I could, in theory, draw a plane that goes down through these three lines and extends these 3 points, and then comes out and that plane and point F is on it. Remember, 3 collinear points, there's an infinite number of planes that could be passing through those 3 points. So naming 3 collinear points is the same effectively as naming just 2. So I'm just worried about F, A, and A, C, and F, which, by the way, this is, no. I was about to say something incorrect. But yes, they are coplanar. It's just not drawn here. So there is my yes. All right. Now, F, A, D, and B. Now, this one differs slightly because points A, D, and B are non-collinear. So there's only one plane that passes through those 3 points, and that is plane Q. F is not on plane Q, therefore no, these are not coplanar. And now our last one here, plane Q and line EC. Well, plane Q is here, EC, even though it's not drawn, still lies on plane Q, and therefore yes, they are coplanar since line EC is already on plane Q.